In the name of Allah, the Most High, the Most Merciful. Peace and blessings be upon you, brothers and sisters. Today, we must remember a truth that many people forget during times of injustice, a truth the oppressors of this world always ignore. Because no matter what they build, no matter what power they hold, no matter what they try to hide, there is one reality they can never escape. Every tyrant thinks their power will last forever. They believe their armies protect them. They believe their weapons make them untouchable. They believe their wealth can hide the truth. They start wars, then blame others. They destroy homes, then speak about peace. They spill innocent blood, then stand before cameras and speak as if they are innocent. They bury families under rubble, then behave as if nothing happened. Children cry from hunger, mothers sleep in fear. Fathers stand with nothing left to give. Whole streets erased, whole homes gone, whole lives shattered in minutes. And still the world keeps talking. Meetings, statements, promises. But the suffering remains. Nothing disappears. Every injustice is written. Every command given, every weapon fired, every innocent life taken, all of it is recorded. Hard times are also a test of patience, a test of faith, a test of courage. Will we only speak, or will we stand for justice? Allah gives some people wealth. Allah gives some people power, not for pride, but for responsibility, because the strongest should protect the weakest. The prayer of the oppressed does not miss its target. There is no barrier between their cry and Allah. One day, everything hidden will be revealed, every lie exposed, every injustice uncovered, and nobody will be able to deny the truth. A tyrant may escape the courts of this world, but nobody escapes the court of Allah. Power on earth is temporary. Every empire in history believed it would last forever. But where are they now? Gone. And the tyrants of today will follow the same path. History remembers the oppressed with honor, but the oppressors are remembered with shame. And this hurts even more, because many who have wealth, power, and influence still sit back and do very little. They speak loudly, but act weakly. They hold conferences, but do not stop the pain. They have food, they have safety, they have palaces, while poor Muslims search for bread, water, and one safe night. This is what breaks the heart. Not only the cruelty of the oppressor, but the silence of those who could do more. Because words are easy. Real faith shows in action. Real honor stands with the oppressed. Real courage does not hide behind speeches, but no matter how dark it looks, Allah sees everything. Every injustice, every lie, every missile fired, every child left hungry, every innocent life taken. Nothing escapes Allah. Allah is Al-Basir, the one who sees everything. No ruler is beyond him. No army is beyond him. No king is beyond him. No lie can survive before him. They may fool people. They may control headlines. They may twist the story. But they cannot deceive Allah. Allah knows who started the fire. Allah knows who fed the war. Allah knows who watched in silence. Allah knows who had the power to help, but chose comfort instead. And Allah is never unjust. He gives time, but He never forgets. Allah says in the Qur'an, "Do not think Allah is unaware of what the wrongdoers do. He only delays them for a day when eyes will stare in horror. He allows delay, but He never loses count. Every tear is counted. Every prayer is heard. Every cry in the night is known. And when His justice comes, it will not miss a single soul. The tyrant will answer. The silent supporter will answer. The one who helped oppression will answer. The one who turned away will answer. That day, titles will mean nothing. Money will mean nothing. Weapons will mean nothing. Power will mean nothing. Only truth. Only justice. Only what your hands sent forward. So do not think the suffering is unseen. Do not think the dead are forgotten. Do not think the hunger of Palestine, the pain of the oppressed, or the blood of the innocent is lost. Allah sees it all, and Allah is enough as witness. So stay firm, make dua, speak truth, help where you can, give what you can, stand with the oppressed, because action matters. And patience does not mean blindness. Patience means trusting that Allah's justice is coming, even when the world fails. And when that justice arrives, the whole earth will know Allah never ignored a single tear. May Allah protect the oppressed, strengthen our faith, and guide our hearts to what is right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الهم والحزن ومن العجز والكسال ومن الجبن والبخل ومن دلائد الدين وغلبة الرجال سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك